For those that haven't seen, I want to show you Old Spring Lake. This is for a lot of Fort Bragg soldiers and Fayettevilleans that have only ever driven down Bragg Boulevard and never went down Old Spring Lake. And here are the businesses in Old Spring Lake. That's actually a delicious Korean restaurant. Old Fish Market. All right, I'm going to pull over and walk. All right, so you come into this street here. This is called North Main Street. This is from way back in the day. You can see a really old church there. It's actually for sale. It would be nice to buy that, maybe turn it into a house. Be a unique little house. So we've got these buildings here. I'm not sure if they're open or closed. Let's take a look at this. Spring Avenue. All right, we've got it. Let's see what this building is. Looks like a church. Judah Life Tabernacle Ministries. Got a neat little house over there. Martial arts place. Of course, the school bus is making all that noise. All right, let's go down here and go the other way. Take a look. We have another church here. That's the Spring Lake that most people know down there on Bragg Boulevard. Looks like there's a Spring Lake Police Annex right there. All right, let's come down a little bit. I really like that building right there. All right, let's see. So we walk down here. There's a little bit of charm on this street. I've always liked it. I used to come back here and do service calls on some of the buildings, on some of the air conditioners. All right, we've got looks like a wine sipping and painting place with space available to rent. Another building for rent by the day. Looks like financial place. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a church. A lot of these buildings are open. It's just older buildings, but they're open. Got a coffee shop. Thai and Asian food restaurant. I would actually love to go in there. Fish market. And the end of this little plaza is Nak Wong Korean restaurant. This is an Old Spring Lake, Nak Wong Korean restaurant. This is a very authentic Korean restaurant here. I highly suggest. This is on North Main Street. All right, so I'm coming across the street. This is right here on Scarborough. Got some interesting houses. I think they're nice little houses. This part of Spring Lake has a lot of character, in my opinion. That. Nice. Really nice. So if you've never seen this side of Spring Lake, there's a lot of little restaurants here. Like I said, Nak Wong Korean, I highly recommend. Got a Thai Asian cuisine place, probably really authentic. Really authentic. If you know something about Old Spring Lake on North Main Street, you've been here for some years, tell us your experience about it. Let me know, was it booming back in the day? Was it big? Let me know in the comments. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Since I'm always around doing estimates and doing AC repair, I get to go into a lot of different parts in town. So, all right, till the next video. See you, everyone.